Today we're going to be upgrading the headlights on the Miata. Why would you do that? Because the sealed beams suck and you're not quite ready to jump on the angry Jeep wagon yet, but you do want to increase your light output. So the solution is replacing these terrible sealed bulbs that don't put any light out with Hella H4 modification so that you can upgrade to, these have a nice sharp cutoff so you can increase your light output without blinding the people in front of you. And the only tools you need to do this swap is a Phillips screwdriver. So let's get after it. So there's 4 Phillips screws on the housing, 2 on each side here. You pop your headlights up. As you do, you don't even really need the hood open. That's how simple this is. You take that screw off, you take this, there's 2 identical screws on this far side here. We'll get this plastic shroud off of the headlight. It comes downward and out. Then there are 3 screws, not the adjuster screws, but these 3 that hold this ring around the outside of the light. You just have to loosen them because there's a little slot that you can twist this shroud off of. You twist it like that. That's what holds the light housing in. We take our OEM plug off, get rid of the sealed bulbs, and we grab our Silvana bulb. Now, great thing about these H4 bulbs is you can get them at any auto parts store. You want to make sure not to touch the actual bulb itself because the oils on your fingies can cause that to overheat and fail prematurely. So what I would do is take your new bulb housing, link in description obviously, take your new bulb, make sure you line it up with the correct tabs here, like so. Put the retainer back down, like so. And then we'll put there's a little backer, this guy on. And this just helps protect from the elements. And make sure it's right side up. Plug the bulb in, place it back in its home. Now there is a little bit of play to get these level, so we will just make sure that's as close to level as possible. Peel this excess seal off here, get our retainer back on. You might have to loosen these screws just a little bit. Tighten the retainer back down. And then go find a wall that you can mark with some tape. Back the car 20 feet away and aim the beams at where that tape was. And you should enjoy significantly improved light output.